Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Yasir Gulfraz, and uh, as everyone knows that I'm your tutor for people management, and this is our fourth lecture of people management, understanding the principle of leadership in business management. Uh, Leadership is important in business management, guiding organizations towards success, innovation, and sustainability effectively. So, uh, before I get started, can you see my screen and can you hear my voice, everyone? Okay, so indicative contents. Indicative contents are leadership theories, models. I think so, guys. This is a bit wrong here, so we need to change our uh, leadership. Leadership theories, leadership, uh, leadership role. Okay, then communication. Right, indicative contents, leadership theories, leadership role. And communications. Also, we will discuss impact of leadership on employees, motivational performance. Key terminology: vision and goal setting. Strong leader must have a clear vision of the organization's future, setting strategic goals and ensures that employees understand and align with these goals is critical, right? Effective communication is, as you know, that one of the most critical leadership skills. Good leader must convey ideas, expectations, and feedback to employees while being an active listener. Adaptability and innovations. Business world constantly evolves, and leaders must be flexible and adaptable. A successful leader embraces change, innovation, and continuous improvement, uh, empowering and developing others. Great leaders build strong team by empowering employees and investing in their growth. Leadership is about developing uh, others rather than just managing tasks. Here is a video. So uh, this is about you know a, a short video that explain the core principle of leadership and how effective leadership drives businesses success. So I encourage all of you that if you get chance, please watch this as well. Understand the principle of leadership in business management. Leadership is an important element of business management, shaping the direction in organizational and influencing its success. Strong leadership ensures that businesses remain strategic, efficient, and adaptable while also fostering a motivated and engaged workforce. Leadership is not just about authority, it is about inspiring teams, setting clear goals, and guiding employees towards a shared vision. An effective leader influences decision making, problem solving, and team performance while promoting ethical behavior and integrity in the workplace. Breakdown of uh, core principles of leadership in business management. So, now we will explore the key principle of leadership, focusing on the qualities and strength strategies that make leader successful in a business environment. Leadership is in business management revolves around several fundamental principles that guide an organizations towards success. These principles helps leaders create a positive work culture, motivate employees, and ensure smooth business operations. Vision and strategic thinking. Great leader must have a clear vision for the future of the organizations. This vision provide direction and helps in setting strategic goals that align with long-term business objectives. Uh, Strategic thinking is equally important. Leaders must be able to must be able to anticipate challenges, recognize opportunities, and plan for growth. Organizations that think ahead and adopt to change are more likely to remain competitive and achieve sustained success. Effective communication. A key principle of leadership is clear and open communications. Leader must be able to explain objectives, set expectations, and give constructive feedback of employees. Leader should also practice active listening. Uh, this active listening and also uh, uh, this two-way basically valuing feedback from the teams. The two-way communication builds trust and respect, making employees feel heard and appreciated. In adding strong communication motivates employees, encouraging them to stay committed to their work. Right. Any question so far? Right, adaptability and flexibility. The business world is constantly evolving, and leaders must be flexible and open to change. So, adaptability allows leaders to navigate market shifts, technological advancements, and economic fluctuations with confidence. Successful leader also encourage a growth mindset within their team by promoting learning and innovation. Leaders helps employee embrace changes rather than fear it. This mindset ensures that businesses continue to improve and evolve, staying ahead of their competition. Integrity and ethical behavior. Strong leaders set an example for others through honesty, fairness, and accountability. Building trust. Uh, Employees are more likely to trust and respect a leader who acts with integrity. When leaders promote fairness and ethical behavior, it creates a culture where employees feel safe, valued, and motivated to contribute. Commitment to fairness and ethical leaders should ensure that the actions reflect to committed to ethical practices, promoting workplace cultures and integrity. Any questions so far? Empowerment and dedication, motivation and inspiration. Uh, An effective leader knows that success is not achieved alone. Delegating responsibilities and empowering employees helps to develop trust and confidence within a team. Leaders who encourage employees to take ownership of their tasks create a sense of accountability and responsibility. Motivation and inspiration. A good leader understand that drives individual employees must create an environment where they feel motivated, recognizing employees' unique strengths and contributes help to boost morale and productivity. Decision making and problem solving, very important topic point. Decision making and problem solving. Leadership involves making important decisions that affect employees, customers, and the overall business. So I will must say that great leader use critical thinking, data analysis, and insight to make emotional choices. uh, Accountability and responsibility. In effective leader task responsibility for their actions and ensures that employees do the same. Setting clear expectations and holding individuals accountable helps maintain high performance and ethical conduct. Emotional intelligence. Great leaders possess emotional intelligence, which includes self awareness, self regulations, empathy, and relation management. So, these qualities enable uh, uh, leaders to connect with employees, understand their concerns, and respond to challenges effectively. Uh, Building a positive culture. The culture of an organization is heavily influenced by its leaders. Strong leader fosters an inclusive, respectful, and supportive work environment where employees feel safe and values. Focus on result and continuous improvement. Any questions so far about any point which we just discussed? Okay, leadership is about driving progress and achieving businesses' goals. Leaders must set measurable objectives and track progress to ensure that team remains focused on their targets. Encouraging continuous learning and development is also a hallmark of great leaders. Leadership who support employees training and skills development ensures that their organizations remain competitive and involved in an ever changing market. Conclusion here. Leadership in business management is about more than just overseeing tasks. It is about guiding, inspiring, and empowering team. Always remember that a good leader has a clear vision and strategic direction, communicate effectively and motivates their team, adopts to change and encourage innovations, act with the integrity and sets an example for others, development future leaders through delegations and empowerment. Any questions so far or regarding this section? Right. Now next one is explain the role of leadership in business. Leadership is fundamental in business management, influencing how an organization's operate, grows, and adapt to challenges. Strong leaders to responsible for setting the directions, motivating employees, and fostering a culture of productivity and success. Leadership is not just about giving orders or managing teams, it is about inspiring people, making informed decisions, and ensuring the organizations moves towards its goals effectively. Now we will discuss the key aspect of leadership in a business setting. So, key aspect of the role of business of leadership in business setting, vision and strategy. A leader, good leader or great leader provides direction by setting a clear vision for the business. This vision act as guiding force, ensuring that all employees understand the organization's a purpose and long-term goals. Leaders must communicate this vision effectively so employees feel motivated and aligned with the company's mission. Inspiring and motivating employees, one of the most important aspect of leadership is keeping employees engaged and motivated. Employees perform at their best when they feel valued and inspired. Leaders should encourage enthusiasm and commitment by recognizing employees contributing and contributions and aligning their individual goals with the company's objectives. A positive work environment continues support and recognition of hard work all contribute to higher job satisfactions and improved morale. Motivated employees are more productive, creative, and committed to achieving success. Driving changes and innovation, businesses operate in constantly changing environments, and successful leaders must be able to navigate these changes effectively. Whether it is technological advancements, market shifts, or internal restructuring, leaders must guide employees through transitions and ensure that change is embraced rather than feared. Making informed decisions. Leaders are responsible for making important decisions that impact the company's future. Good decision making requires analyzing data, evaluating risks, and considering potential outcomes before taking actions. Leaders guide day to day operates by ensuring decision support businesses objectives. Effective decision making ensures stability, efficiency, and profitability, helping the companies, helping the company move forward smoothly. Building and maintaining organizational culture. A company's culture is shaped by its leadership. Leaders set expectations, define values, and create an environment where employees feel supported and engaged. A strong workplace culture is built on trust, inclusivity, and respect. Leaders should promote diversity and open communications, ensuring employees feel safe, valued, and encouraged to share ideas. A positive work culture improves teamwork, employees' retention, and overall success. Empowerment and empowering and developing employees, great leaders trust and empower their teams. Delegations allows employees to take ownership of their task, build confidence, and grow their skills set. Leaders who support employee development through training, mentorship, and career advancement opportunities create a workforce that is motivated, skilled, and prepared for leadership roles in the future. By investing in employees' growth, businesses can improve uh, performance, reduce turnover, and ensures long-term success. Any questions so far? Okay. Ensuring accountability and performance. Successful leaders sets clear expectations and ensure the employees understanding their responsibility. Holding employees accountable for their works create a culture of discipline and high performance. Oh, I think so. This one we done. Anyway, so building a relationship and encouraging collaboration. Strong relationship involves bringing people together and fostering teamwork. Leaders must affect teams by promoting open communications, trust, and cooperation. Encouraging cross functional collaboration helps different departments work together efficiently, aligning their efforts with the organization's overall objectives. So this kind of teamwork improves efficiency, creativity, and problem solving within the business. Ensuring financial and operational efficiency. Leaders oversee the allocation of resources to ensure the company is using its finances, workforce, and materials effectively. This include budget management, resource planning, and performance tracking the maximize profitability and uh, efficiency. Acting as a role model, employees look up to their leaders to guidance and inspiration. A great leader leads by example, demonstrating integrity, commitment, and a strong work ethic. By modeling ethical behaviors and performance and professionalism. Uh, just hang on. Right, sorry guys. Just right. Acting as a role model where we were. So employees look up to their leaders for guidance and inspiration. A great leader leads by example, demonstrating integrity, commitment, and a strong work ethics. So by modeling ethical behavior and professionalism, leaders set a high standard for employees to follow. This builds trust, respects, and accountability within the organizations. Ethical leadership also ensures that fairness, honesty, and responsibility remains core value in the workplace. Any questions so far? Right. Conclusion here. Leadership is a multi-dimensional role that requires vision, motivations, decision making, and adaptability. Effective leaders drive business success by guiding employees, shaping company culture, and ensuring operational efficiency. Uh, by mastering strategic thinking, communications, empowerment, and ethical behavior, leaders can inspire teams and help organizations thrive in a competitive business world. A strong leader is not just someone who manages teams, but someone who creates a workplace where employees feel valued, motivated, and encouraged to grow. Development leadership skills. Uh, Development leadership skill is an ongoing journey, and the best leaders are those who continue to learn, adopt, and inspire. Any question regarding this session? Okay, different leadership styles. Autocratic. Here are several different leadership styles commonly found in business management, so each with unique characteristics and applications. So, autocratic leadership is one who makes decision independently without seeking input from their team. This leadership style is highly structured and centralized, where the leader exerts full control over decision making and experts team members to follow instructions precisely. Uh, Democratic or participative leadership. Democratic leaders believe in collaborations and teamwork. These leadership styles encourage employees to contribute ideas, provide feedback, and be part of decision-making process. By involving employees, leaders can build trust, increase motivations, and foster innovations. Uh, Right, transformational leadership leaders are visionary and inspiring. They motivate employees to go beyond their comfort zones and strive for innovations and excellence. These leaders focus on long-term growth, continuous improvement, and personal development, pushing their teams to achieve more than they uh, thought possible. This leadership style be highly effective in fast-paced, evolving uh, industries where change and growth are essential. Uh, Laissez-faire leadership. Uh, Laissez-faire leadership. This leadership takes a hands-off approach, giving employees freedom to make decisions and take responsibility for the task. Uh, this style works best within the team is highly skilled, where the team is highly skilled, experienced, and capable of staff management. Servant leadership focus on the well-being, development, and success of their employees rather than exerting authority. Their goal is to support their team members, remove obstacles, and help them grow personally and professionally. Uh, situational leadership is about adaptability. Leaders using this style adjust their leadership approach based on the specific situations, task, or employees' experience level. Sometimes they may need to be directive, while at other times they should be supportive and empowering. Bureaucratic leadership. Bureaucratic leaders allow strict rules, policies, and procedures to manage their team. This leadership style is highly structured and process oriented, ensuring that everyone follows the same guidelines and standards. Uh, charismatic leadership. Charismatic leaders use personal charm, enthusiasm, and strong communication skills to inspire and engage their team. Coaching leadership. Uh, Coaching leadership focus on helping employees grow, developing their skills, and reach their full potential. This leadership style prioritizes mentorship, continuous learning, and constructive feedback. Right. Conclusion here. Each leadership style has unique strengths and limitations, and the best leaders adopt their approach based on their team, environment, and business needs. While some situations require a strict and structured approach, others benefit from collaborations, inspiration, and flexibility. Any question, guys, so far about section 2, or any concerns or issues? Right. Next is describe the personal characteristics of leaders. Uh, Leadership, as you know, I hope so far you know that leadership is not just about giving orders and making decision. It is about inspiring, guiding, and supporting teams to achieve common goals. Best or good or great leader shares certain personal characteristics that enables them to navigate challenges, make wise decisions, and build strong relationship within their organizations. So here are some key personal characteristics commonly found in good leaders or effective leaders. So integrity uh, is one of the most important characteristics of a strong leader. Leaders with integrity uphold honestly ethical behavior and fairness in all their decisions and actions. They stay true to their values and always act in the best interest of their team and organizations. Confidence is the ability to make decisions effectively and to inspire belief in others. A confident leader does not hesitate to take risks, face challenges, or guide their team through uncertainty. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and relate to the emotions, challenges, and need of others. A leader who is empathetic can connect with their team in a deeper level, fostering trust and strong workplace relationship. Resilience, staying strong in different times. A resilient leader remain calm, composed, and focused even in the face of setbacks and uncertainty. They see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as obstacles. Adaptability, uh, adaptil- adaptability in today's business world, adaptability is a critical leadership trait. Leaders must be open to change and ready to adjust their strategies based on new challenges, market trends, and technological advancement. Visionary thinking, seeing the bigger picture, a visionary leaders thinks beyond the personal and plans for the future. They set clear goals and inspire their team to work together towards a common purpose. Uh, by providing direction and a sense of purpose, visionary leaders motivate employees to see how their individuals' efforts contribute to the organization's a long-term success. So this sense of alignment increases motivations and overall job satisfaction. Decisiveness, uh, decisive leaders making quick and informed decisions. Leaders often face situations where quick and strategic decisions making is required. Decisive leaders evaluate the available information, consider potential risks, and make confident decisions that align with the organization's goal. Accountable leaders owns their own leaders own their decisions, actions, and outcomes. They do not shift blame but take responsibility for success and failures alike. Emotional intelligence, managing emotional effectively. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and regulate one's emotion while also recognizing and responding to the emotions of others. Leaders with highly emotional intelligence handle stress effectively, resolve conflicts smoothly, and communicate with empathy. By uh, managing emotions well, leaders foster stronger relationship and create a work environment where employees feel safe, heard, and motivated to contribute their best. Communication skills is one of the most important leadership skill. A strong leader must be able to clearly evaluate their vision, expectations, and feedback to employees. Effective communication also involve active listening, where leaders take the time understand employees' concerns, encouraging dialogue and provide constructive feedback. Inspirational and motivation, motivational. Uh, Great leader inspire and bring out the best of their team. They express enthusiasm, recognize achievements, and foster a positive work culture where employees feel excited and engaged. Humility, a humble leader acknowledge the contribute of others, admit mistakes, and continuously learns from feedback. They value teamwork's overall personal success and recognize that leadership is about serving the team, not just leading them. This trait fosters collaborations, trust, and mutual respect, creating a workplace where employees feels valued and empowered. Commitment and passion. Dedicated leaders shows a strong commitment to their work, their team, and the organization's missions. Their passion for success set the tone for the entire team, encouraging employees to stay engaged and motivated. Self-discipline, staying focused and consistent. Uh, a self-disciplined leader manages their time well, stays focused on priorities, and follows through a commitment. They demonstrate consistency in their work ethics, setting a strong example for their team. Any questions so far? Any questions, any concerns, or any issues so far? Right. Conclusion for this section, effective, because in this section we discussed characteristics of leadership. So effective leadership is not just about authority or expertise. It is about character and mindset. Great leaders possess integrity, resilience, empathy, and visionary outlook that inspire and empower their teams. By developing these personal characteristics, leaders create a positive work environment, build strong relationship, and drive their organizations toward long-term success. Whether you are leading a small team or a large organization, remember these qualities will help you become a leader that people trust, respect, and follow. Any questions regarding this section or any concerns, issues, or okay, determine whether leadership can be taught. This question of whether leadership can be taught has been widely debated. Some believes that leaderships are born, while others argues that leadership skill can be learned and developed over time. Truth lies somewhere in between. While certain leadership abilities such as strategic thinking, communications, problem solving can be taught through training and experience, other aspects like charisma, empathy, and resilience are often influenced by an individual's personality and natural dispositions. So now we will discuss the teachable aspects of leadership, the role of experience and influence of personality, and the limitations of formal training. Teachable skill and unique leadership skills. Many aspects of leadership involve specific skills and techniques that can be learned through training, practice, and mentorship. So these skill includes communication skill. Effective communication skill is essential for leadership. Leaders must clearly convey ideas, actively listen, provide constructive feedback, and inspire their team. These skills can be developed through workshop, role-playing exercise, and real world practices. Decision making and problem solving. Uh, Good leaders must analyze situations, evolve, uh, evaluate risk, and make informed decisions. Our training program teach structured methods such as SWOT analysis, risk assessment, and data-driven decision making to help leaders approach problems systematically. Strategic planning and vision setting. Leaders must learn how to set goals, create long term strategic strategies and aligns their team efforts with the organization's vision. Leadership courses teach techniques for goal setting, forecasting, and strategic thinking, helping leaders create clear and actionable roadmap for success. Conflict resolution and negotiations. Leaders frequently handle conflict, mediate dispute, and negotiate solutions. Training can provide techniques for de escalation, active listening, and win win negotiation, ensuring that leaders can resolve workplace challenging effectively. Time management and delegations. Effective leaders prioritize tasks, manage their workload, and delegate responsibilities to others. Leadership training teach skills such as task prioritizations, delegations, strategies, and workload distributions, helping leaders optimize their efficiency. These teachable leadership skills equip individuals with the tools and strategies needed to manage team effectively and make well-informed decisions. Any questions so far? Any concerns or any questions? Role of experience and practices. While formal training provide a strong uh, uh, foundation, leadership is be developed through hands-on experience. So, learning from real-world challenging uh, challenges, leadership is not just about theory. It requires facing real challenging, managing teams, and making decisions under pressures. Mentoring and coachings. Many successful leaders learn from experienced mentors who guide them through leadership challenges, provide valuable insights, and help them refines their approach. Coaching and mentorship program accelerate leadership development by offering personalized feedback. Next is continuous self reflection. Leadership is an ongoing learning process. Great leaders constantly evaluate their actions, learn from their mistakes, and seek ways to improve. By reflecting on experience and seeking feedback, leaders enhance their self awareness and decisions making abilities. Uh, Always remember that training alone cannot replace the lessons learned through real world leadership. Leaders become stronger by leading in actual business situations, dealing with real people, and handling unexpected challenges. Influence of personality traits and natural disposal. While leadership skill can be learned, certain personality traits play important role in shaping how effective a leadership can be. Some individuals naturally possess traits that make leadership easiest for them, such as innate characteristics. Certain characteristics commonly found in effective leaders, such as charisma, empathy, and resilience, often stem from an individual's natural personality and disposition. Adaptability and emotional intelligence also play an important role in leadership effectiveness. Emotion intelligence, which includes self awareness, empathy, uh, and the ability to regulate emotions, can be developed over time, but some individuals may naturally excel in their areas due to their inherent temperament. Motivation to lead. Additionally, the motivations to lead varies from persons to persons. Not everyone has a innate desire to take on leadership responsibilities. While leadership skills can be uh, thought, the most effective leaders are often those who genuinely want to inspire, guide, and support others. So basically, any questions so far? Okay. So what I want to say, I want to say that these personality traits can be developed and refined, but they are often difficult to teach in traditional classroom setting. Limitation of formal leadership training, contextual adaptability. Uh, every leadership situation is unique, and no training program can fully prepare someone for every challenges they will face. Real world leadership requires flexibility and the ability to adjust different scenarios. Learning through failure, some of the most valuable leadership lessons come from failures. Formal training cannot fully replicate the experience of handling a crisis, making a tough decisions, or learning from mistakes. Leaders grow by facing real challenges and adjustment accordingly. Development a personal leadership style. Each leader has a unique style based on their personality, experience, and values. While leadership training provide guidelines and strategies, individuals must adopt that they learn to fill their own style and approach. Blended formal training and practical application. Uh, Combining education and experience, uh, combining classroom learning with real world applications. Many leaders development program integrate case studies, simulations, and project based learning to help individuals apply what they learn before stepping into leadership roles. Ongoing development, leadership is not one time skills. The best leaders continue to seek feedback, refine their skills, and take on new challenges throughout their careers. Any question so far? Conclusion for this sections: leaders can be taught, but only to a certain context. While skills like communication, strategic thinking, decision making, and conflict resolution can be learned through trainings, other aspects such as charisma, empathy, and resilience are often shaped by experience and personal disposition. The most effective leaders are those who commit to lifelong learning, gain real world experience, seek mentorship, and continuously develop their leadership abilities. Ultimately, leadership is a combination of learned skills, practical experience, and personal growth. And those who are motivated to lead and willing to grow will become the most successful leaders. So, any questions regarding this section? Right. That's it for today. Here are some references, and also you can visit your learning Moodle or learning management system for and to get some more books and material there. So thank you very much for joining me this evening. Tomorrow there will be or another and last session, which is the assignment session. So I will encourage to attend tomorrow's session. So we will go through your assignment questions and format. Thank you very much, everyone. And if there is any questions, concerns, issues, you can drop me an email at yasir@ukversity.co.uk. Thank you very much and good night for now.